This little bunny is aggressively adorable. The Bunnylulu Plush Keychain shows up looking fluffy, sparkly, and honestly cuter in person than I expected for something this small. This plush, look at it, it's so cute. It is soft and squishy, not stiff, and the tin box makes it feel so giftable instead of like something random. The size will stand out on a backpack, on a purse without looking bulky. This is very cute in that instant smile, grab it for your bag kind of way. The clip makes it easy to clip on a backpack, purses, keys, or a dance bag. So definitely more of an accessory than a toy. This is one of those small extras that makes a bag look so put together without trying too hard. If you like a playful, cute, soft, adorable accessory, this is a must-have.